The peacock in my garden, sitting alone. Beautiful bird, national bird, but is enjoying loneliness and eating something or the other which are not even eatables, from the soil, dried leaves, the seeds probably which I keep throwing here and there. This is my rock garden or rock jungle. He's sitting for a very, very long time at this posture. What is their life? What do they think? How do they live? Contrary to the people with brains who have no brains at all. Only corona virus type of things could have stopped them, but they defy everything.